Hello everyone, I am Raghu from MLR Learner. I would like to improve our speaking skills. Now we are going to learn about if conditionals. There are four basic types of conditionals. They are zero, first, second, and third. These conditionals are divided two parts. They are condition and result, or if clause and main clause. If we go out without mask, comma, it is condition. Result is Corona comes with us. Complete sentence is if we go out without mask, comma, Corona comes with us. Here, condition is if plus simple present tense, comma, result is simple present. Here condition and result also simple present tenses. It is zero conditional. Another example, if you stand in the rain, comma, you get wet. It is general truth. And if we eat ice, comma, it melts. It is scientific fact. So these all are general situations and real. Here first one is condition, second one is result. If we change order, that means first one is result, second one is condition. For example, Corona comes with us if we go out without mask. Here, he need not write comma middle of them. It is also correct. But we don't use comma if we write first result and second condition. Here the condition if plus simple present. Result also simple present. First condition, for example, if we follow rules, we will not connect Corona. Full stop. If we follow rules, comma, we will not connect Corona. Full stop. Another example, if we put water in the fridge, it will become ice. And if you work hard, comma, you will finish the project work on time. Here, condition is if plus simple present tense. Result is simple future. It is also real. That means possible to these conditions. Second condition null. If we knew medicine, comma, we would stop corona. If we know medicine is condition, we would stop corona is result. Another example, if I were a bird, I would fly in the sky. But it is not possible. It is only imaginary. If I were a bird, here normally we say I was, but here we say if I were a bird because highly impossible. That so it is not real. If we know medicine, we would stop corona. Here we did not know medicine still now in the world. So corona don't stop. So it is not possible. Here condition is if plus simple past and result is subject plus would plus V1. V1 means base form of verb plus extra. It is unreal condition. It is not possible. Third conditional, for example, if we had known medicine, comma, we would have killed corona. Full stop. Did not no medicine still now in the world, so we did not kill corona, or we did not move it. It is unreal. It is not possible. It is the past. But it is not possible, so it is unreal. Another example, if we had got sick, if we had got sick, comma, or if you had got sick, comma, you would have gone to doctor, or if who had got sick, comma, we would have met doctor or consulted doctor. Here, condition is if plus past perfect tense, comma, result is subject would have plus V3, that is past participle plus extra. It is past action, so it is not possible and unreal. We will try to learn about mixed conditionals after we learn perfect these four conditionals. Thank you.